Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the insulation layers we made for our EPS shaping molding machine. As you can see, this is the insulated layer behind of this cooling pipe for the movable mold. The whole plate is insulated. And also, as you can see, for the movable mold, upside, downside, left side, and the right side. All wrapping by this insulation layer. So when the mold is mounting on this EPS shaping molding machine, and the completely mold is insulation by these layers, so it can keep the mold in high temperature during the demolding, which it can saving the energy, special for the steam energy. For more information, please leave a comment below or subscribe our video. Thank you.